Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to look at absolute positioning. What is absolute positioning? Basically we are going to take a div. If you don't know, div is basically a box we create. I made a video about that. I don't know whether you watched it or not. It's a box we create around a text. We move that one here and there according to we can move it here and there using a ID. Okay. Now we are going to see absolute positioning. Absolute positioning is basically we can position anywhere that div regardless of what is interrupting it. Like it doesn't matter whether something is in it way. It's just gonna place that thing anywhere we put. Okay, now let's go ahead and see that how to do it. Okay, now first I'm gonna create first div, and then I put an ID. Okay, ID. Let's create some names. Let's say apples, and then close this one, and here I'm gonna just say I'm the apple box. I'm the apple box, and then close the div. And in the below one I'm gonna just type something else like div ID. I'm gonna just say blueberry. Blueberry, and I close this, and then I'm gonna just say I'm the blueberry box. I'm the blueberry box. Okay, now close the div, backslash div. Okay, now we created two divs. Now we have just the text appearing. And now in order to style this one, we have created the ID here. Here ID, so that we have to use the same name here with the hashtag. Whenever we have a div, we use hashtag. Now the first name we created is apples, and then I'm gonna put a curly bracket, and here I'm gonna style this one. Border, let's put 2 pixel, and then let's put a color solid red, semicolon, and then I'm going to change the position to absolute, and then the next thing is width is 150 pixel, and then next height is 175 pixel, and the next thing is how much we are moving from top. When we put top, it goes to the bottom 40 by 40 pixel, and if I put left 115 pixel, it's gonna move to right 115 pixel. Okay, it happens in the opposite way. Now when I go and refresh this one, you can see we create the first one. Now let's go ahead and create the same thing for the second one. Okay. Okay. Let me copy style. I removed everything, I guess. Where did it go? Okay, here we go. I remove the entire. Okay. I made a big mess here. Okay, HTML, then head style, head. Okay, we created apple, and I also created blueberry here. Style head. Style head, then after that body. In the body we have this thing, and then after that, okay, let's get rid of this one. That's it. Now this is the one I intended to type blueberry, but I typed it before, and when I copy paste it came here. Blueberry border, we put the same border, but we change the color into blue. Position absolute again, width 150 pixel, same width, height 170, same with same height. And I move this one from top 30 pixel, here it's 40 pixel, and this one I move from left 155 pixel, here we did 115 pixel. Now when I refresh this one, something wrong. Okay, let's see what's that mistake. HTML head style type CSS, and then we have this style completed, head completed, then we have body. Inside the body we have this HTML. Okay, we have a style here, we have to get rid of this style and HTML again. Okay, now when I run this, something messed up. The big mistake, I instead of copying I pasted it. It giving me trouble. Okay, HTML I think is starting twice. I have to get rid of one of the HTML here. And then what else? HTML. Okay, we have this one twice as well. And this one style shouldn't be here, and HTML should be inside. Okay, now the red box working, blue box is not working. Let's see what's wrong. Div ID blueberry, blue box, it's within the style. Div blueberry, I'm the blueberry box, and the blueberry box. Close this one here. Okay, now blueberry, same spelling, no mistake. I started a thing, closed it, 30 pixel. Okay, I had to figure it out. Head, style type, apples border, everything is perfect. Here, blueberry, exact same thing we typed here. Border 2 pixel. Oh, solid. It should be solid right here. Okay, now it's black. I don't know why. Oh, I didn't put a color. Blue. Okay, now you can see it changed. The thing we are learning is absolute mean it doesn't matter whether we have something in between, like interrupting this, it's gonna be in that place anyway. Like here you can see we have a red box and blue box. Regardless of having a blue box right here, it's still red going through that, normally it doesn't happen, but when we have absolute position it will happen. There are two other positioning as well, but in absolute position it doesn't matter whether we have anything else in between or anything interrupting that, but it will just go into that place and stay there anyway. It doesn't care about anything else, just itself. That's the absolute positioning. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.